The moment you read this question, the answer that comes to your mind is 2. And then the moment you read this question to a student, you expect the student to answer 2. Now, what happens to 0? Is 0 not an even number? Okay. What of negative 2? What happened to negative 2? It's also an even number. Now, look at this. Somebody made this mistake a long time ago, and it was not noticed, and it was not corrected in class. And then the mistake continued on and on. So it's now a normal thing that when a teacher asks students what is the first even number, the teacher is expecting 2 as the answer. But the correct question should have been, what is the first even natural number? That is the correct question. What is the first even natural number? If the answer should be 2. And then if the answer should be 0, the question should have been, what is the first even whole number? Whole. That is when you are expecting 0 as the answer. Now, the third one is, what is the first even negative integer? Negative integer. Now, in this case, not just negative number, but negative integer. The first even negative integer is negative 2. This is the correct way to ask these questions. Okay? Now, in learning number theory, the first thing a child is supposed to learn is about integers. Because integers are not just talking about any kind of number. They tell you about the negative numbers, the positive numbers, and the whole numbers. Surprisingly, whole numbers are just numbers that start from 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on and so forth. And then the natural numbers, otherwise known as the positive integers, are numbers that start from 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and upwards. And then the negative integers start from -1 and then continues backwards. That is just how it is. This is the first topic that should be taught to a grade 3 student on number theory. And then when the child has learned it, then the child can learn about even numbers and odd numbers. Because there you'll be fixing all these terminologies, natural numbers and stuff like that. Then after that comes the divisibility rules, tests of divisibility, how to identify numbers that can divide other numbers. All these things have been listed out the way they should be learned in our Some Global chain. All you need to do is ask for it. Just ask me in the comment section, how can I get it? And I'll make it available to you. Simple. Every topic the way it should be learned, one after the other. Bye.